feel like the motherfucking big smoke. Motherfucking chimney, right? You a shit talker, we got drums for that. Okay. Tryna fist fight, boy, you dumb for that. You gon' get a bullet in your lung for that. Draco get the kicking like Luke Kane. F&N on me in a Mulsanne. Glock 19 in the blue flame. I was scrapped when I slid inside your blue thing. 21 aborted, we'll never die. Loyal to my brother.
Alright, y'all know what it is, man. We out here in the garage. Got my guy, Snake Eater. I don't know, I clean my lens. I apologize, ladies and gentlemen. We out here with Snake Eater, man. We're putting some wrap on the hood. You can see the old hood is there. So the hood under here is silver. I was gonna forget to film this, but Snake Eater reminded me. So we got the 1LE hood or the 15 SS hood, whichever one. It's got the hood scoop in the middle. You can kind of see the indent there. Silver up under here, so I decided to get black satin. I don't know if the camera's actually picking this up. It looks black satin on the camera. It's actually got a lot of gold flake and it almost looks bronze. So it's going to be kind of an interesting color in the sun. I think in the darkness it's just going to look black satin, which is going to be pretty cool. And we should be good to go. But we're finna wrap this and get going. I'm not going to do a time lapse because I'm on my phone right now. I don't have any of my cameras out here. But I'll show you intermediate progress as we go along. And the music? Okay, there we go. All right, guys. Got a good little spot done. Got a little ash line or something right there. I don't know what that is. Maybe a little compound or something to get that off of there. But it's in there. Got the hole cut in the middle. Almost done. We just need to do some cutting to trim it. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and come out and say this. I think last time I wrapped my hood, I wrapped that hood over there. We use V-Vent or whatever the hell that name of that is. Yeah, Vivint. This is 3M. Let me tell you, never, ever not buy 3M. Don't buy no V-Vent, E-Vent, T-Vent, none of that. Buy 3M. This is probably the easiest wrap I've ever worked with in my life. Literally, we've used the heat gun very minimally. I mean, the air bubbles come out. It's so smooth. It lays down so easily. It's very easy to work with. So yeah, that's the update for now. I'll get back with you guys probably when it's done, because it's literally how long is this taking? Probably
about an hour.
Yeah, an hour. All right, guys, so I meant to wrap this up earlier, but as you can see, hood's wrapped. It's pretty bronzy, goldy looking, but honestly, I like it. It's overcast kind of today, but it fits pretty good on there. I still got to get the rest of the plastic dip off of the heated thing, extractor or whatever. Car's dirty, filthy, needs to be cleaned and wrapped again, or it needs to be wrapped in general. But yeah, damn. Anyway, that's it, man. We still sitting on drag radials from Texas 2K, because you know we've been inside. I wanted to get out, man, and do a little something. It's a little congested over here. But yeah, man, we out here. Got the car wrapped. I'm super happy with it. Well, I got the hood wrapped. I'm super happy with it. It came out. It was a weird color I thought it was gonna be, but it fits pretty good in my opinion. I'm digging it, man. Looks phenomenal. But anyway, I know this video is kind of short. We got some stuff going on. Ordering some parts for the truck. Ordering some parts from the Z, and of course ordering parts for this. We are still going to boost the car. More than likely we're going to twin turbo it. That's the plan. So I didn't announce it last time. I don't have the turbos yet. I just haven't ordered them yet. I kind of want to order a lot more than just turbos. But yeah, that's the plan. Plan on twin turbo in the car, unless something else comes up. You know, I'm a fickle kind of guy. I may decide Pro Charger if a good enough deal comes up. I'm just trying to have enough money put back to where if a whole kit does come available, you know, I can drop that 6-7 racks or whatever needs to be done, instead of piecing it together. I still got to get the fuel system, or the fuel system I'm gonna do, which is gonna be the DSX. I think auxiliary pump. I already got a Z01 fuel pump, and I need injectors, and then an E85, E85 flex fuel sensor or whatever. So that's the stuff I'm gonna get. But for now, the little cosmetic stuff we're doing to the car, we're just gonna be wrapping more of it. So I gotta replace that grill. I'm gonna do the flow tie mod, wrap the spoiler myself more than likely. Now I'll let a professional wrap the rest of the car. But yeah, just trying to get it done, man. COVID-19's got us kind of sitting at the house, and I'm working from home. Still got a lot of work to do. Kind of on a break right now, man. I got to go back in and got some work. I got a couple meetings coming up this evening, but just kind of wanted to get a little quick end video for you guys, man. But that's the plan. The Z is coming along. It's at the house. And yeah, man, we out here chilling. This hood looks phenomenal. I gotta get some more pictures, man. So y'all know what to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment on the video, man, all that stuff. And subscribe to the channel if you ain't already.